everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I decided to do a lookbook dedicated to all the freshers out there who will be attending their freshers party, obviously. Now freshers party can be a little bit tricky because in India we tend to have dress codes. So on the basis of those general dress codes, I decided to make a lookbook with certain guidelines. I mean, obviously you can wear whatever you want. You don't have to stick to this, but I just thought it would be helpful for all of you. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. Overalls. Now overalls are literally my uniform. If I could wear one thing all my life, it would definitely be overalls because I feel like they're so versatile. They can be dressed up, dressed down, they're so comfortable, yet they look so cool. So overalls is a really good choice, always. I paired my denim overalls with this really floral and feminine top, which is from Shein.com, and it's this really pretty white color and it has beautiful blue detailing all over it. And this is what it looks like in a close-up. Also, I've linked everything that I'm wearing in this video in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. Moving on to the key element of this outfit, these denim overalls are from Hill Road Bandra, and I think you guys have seen me wearing these overalls in a lot of different videos, but I'm so sorry, I just can't seem to get enough of them. And also, even though they're from Hill Road Bandra, they're so comfortable and they don't look cheap at all. And lastly, I added these white canvas shoes which are from Forever 21 to complete the look. Now this is what it looks like when all the elements are put together, and this is the kind of look that I put together for all the girls who don't really like to wear a lot of dressy and girly clothes. But this is a perfect mix where you can be a little bit girly and a little bit casual at the same time. Now, if you're really confused as to what to wear to your freshers party, a really good option would be to stick to printed pants. Now they look really stylish and they're really comfortable as well, so you don't really have to worry about wearing a dress and dancing in it. So this is a really good option. These printed pants are from Romwe.com and these are the star of the show. So I decided to pair these really pretty floral print, palm print pants with a plain black top. Now this plain black top is from Hill Road Bandra and it also has some really pretty bell sleeves. And lastly, I added these pair of black strappy sandals which are from Forever 21 to complete the look. So yeah, this is what the complete outfit looks like. Now I know that this won't be everyone's favorite because it's a little bit retro, but I think it's really cute for a freshers party. Bodysuits. Bodysuits are extremely trendy these days and I think they really help spice up the normal jeans, and wearing a bodysuit kind of makes you feel a little bit dressy, but it's really comfortable at the same time. So I started off with this really pretty white bodysuit with red roses all over it, and this bodysuit is from Romwe.com. I think it fits really well and really complements my body type. I paired this bodysuit with my light washed jeans from Bershka, and I added this long cape sort of jacket which is from Ginger. And to kind of make this outfit really dressy, I added these heels which are from Hooves.com. So yeah, this is what the whole outfit looks like. It's a little bit more dressy and I hope you guys really like this one because it's one of my favorites. Denim jackets or just jackets in general. Now I know it's really hot and me asking you to wear a jacket doesn't really help, but chances are your freshers party is gonna be taking place indoor, so I don't think it should be an issue. Now the thing with denim jackets is that they look really cool and they have a youthful feel to it, but at the same time they can really dress up a look. So the denim jacket that I went for had some really cool patches on it, which is again really trendy. You obviously don't have to go and buy a denim jacket which has patches on it. You can just stick to a normal denim jacket or any jacket for that matter. So I started off with this striped top which is from Hill Road Bandra to give it a little bit of contrast along with the denim patchwork jacket. And this denim jacket that I'm wearing over top is from Shein.com, and it has some really pretty patchwork along with a few rips here and there, and I think it really adds a sort of cool and casual look to the whole outfit. For the bottoms, I went with this pair of black jeans, which is from Bershka. I think since a lot is going on the top, I just decided to go basic with the jeans. And lastly, I wore my white pair of sneakers, which are from Adidas, to complete the look. So yeah, this is what the last and final outfit looks like. It's really casual and I think really apt for a freshers party. So yeah, that was my freshers lookbook. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and follow me on my social medias. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!